Section 1. Introduction. Riding the specialty insurance wave. The IPO market is a churning sea. Companies bob along, hoping to catch the eye of investors. Bowhead Specialty, a new player in the specialty insurance game, is the latest to brave these waters. They're offering a piece of their business, hoping to reel in investors eager for a new opportunity. But are these waters calm and inviting, or are there hidden storms brewing beneath the surface? Specialty insurance isn't your run-of-the-mill car or home insurance. It's a different beast altogether. Think high stakes, high reward, and highly specialized. It's insurance for the things most insurers wouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole. Satellites, political risks, cyber attacks, and more. These are complex risks requiring a specialized approach. That's where Bowhead comes in. This IPO is an invitation to join Bowhead on their journey. But before you jump on board, it's wise to understand the waters they navigate. What are the currents driving this market? What are the potential rewards? And what are the risks lurking beneath the surface? This essay aims to give you a clear-eyed view of Bowhead Specialty and its potential as an investment. Section 2. Charting the course. Bowhead's IPO and niche focus. Bowhead Specialty is setting sail with an initial public offering. They're aiming to raise capital to expand their operations and reach new clients. The IPO is a chance for investors to grab a piece of this growing company and potentially ride the wave of profits.
But the success of this voyage depends heavily on the course they chart and the waters they choose to navigate. Their focus is on niche markets, the more obscure corners of the insurance world. These are not your typical insurance needs. They cater to unique risks, the kind that most insurance companies shy away from. Think insuring a satellite launch, a political campaign, or a company against a major cyber attack. These are high-risk, high-reward areas where specialized knowledge is key.
This niche focus is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it allows Bowhead to command higher premiums due to the specialized nature of the risks they underwrite. There's less competition in these niche markets, giving them an edge. But on the other hand, these markets are often smaller and more volatile. A single major event could significantly impact Bowhead's bottom line. Section 3. Financial Seas. Navigating Bowhead's balance sheet. Before diving into the potential of any investment, it's crucial to examine the financial health of the company. Think of it as checking the ship's hull before setting sail. A strong financial foundation is essential for weathering storms and reaching the desired destination. So, let's take a closer look at Bowhead's balance sheet.
Bowhead's financials are a mixed bag. They show promise, but also areas that require careful consideration. Their revenue growth has been steady, indicating a growing demand for their specialized insurance products. This is a positive sign, suggesting they are successfully carving out a space in these niche markets. However, their profitability has been inconsistent. Their expenses are significant, largely due to the high costs associated with underwriting these complex risks. They need to maintain a large pool of experts to assess these risks accurately. This puts pressure on their margins.
Furthermore, their balance sheet shows a relatively high debt level. This could hinder their flexibility in responding to market changes or pursuing new opportunities. Investors need to carefully assess these financial indicators before weighing anchor. Specialty insurance is not a stagnant pond. It's a dynamic sector, constantly evolving. New risks emerge, and the demand for specialized coverage grows. This creates significant opportunities for those who can navigate these shifting tides.
Bowhead Specialty, with its focus on niche markets, is well positioned to capitalize on these emerging trends. The world is becoming increasingly complex and interconnected. Cyber attacks are more frequent and sophisticated, posing significant threats to businesses of all sizes. The space industry is booming, with more companies launching satellites and venturing into the unknown.
Political risks are also on the rise, creating uncertainty for businesses operating in volatile regions. These trends are driving the demand for specialty insurance products. Bowhead's expertise in these areas could translate into significant growth. Their ability to assess and underwrite these complex risks gives them a competitive advantage. As these markets expand, Bowhead has the potential to ride the wave of increasing demand and secure a larger slice of the specialty insurance pie. Every sea has its share of hidden dangers, and the world of specialty insurance is no exception. While Bowhead Specialty is charting a course towards growth, there are significant risks that could rock the boat. Understanding these potential pitfalls is crucial for any investor considering joining their voyage.
One primary concern is the inherent volatility of the niche markets they target. A single major event, like a large-scale cyber attack or a failed satellite launch, could lead to substantial claims. This could significantly impact Bowhead's profitability and even threaten their financial stability.
Another risk stems from the competitive landscape. While Bowhead enjoys a certain level of dominance in their chosen niches, larger, more established insurance companies could enter these markets, increasing competition and putting pressure on premiums. Furthermore, regulatory changes could disrupt their operations. The insurance industry is heavily regulated, and shifts in these regulations could impact their ability to operate in certain markets or underwrite specific types of risk. Investing in an IPO is like setting sail on a new adventure. There's the excitement of the unknown, the potential for great rewards, but also the inherent risk of encountering stormy seas. Bowhead Specialty's IPO presents a unique opportunity for investors, but it's essential to weigh the potential benefits against the possible drawbacks before making a decision.
On the positive side, Bowhead operates in a growing sector. The demand for specialty insurance is on the rise, fueled by increasing global complexity and emerging risks. Their focus on niche markets gives them a competitive edge, allowing them to command higher premiums and face less competition than traditional insurance providers.
However, there are significant downsides to consider. The volatility of their target markets means their profitability can fluctuate significantly. A single major event could lead to substantial losses. Their high debt level adds to the risk, potentially hindering their ability to respond to market changes or seize new opportunities. Furthermore, competition from larger, more established players could squeeze their margins and limit their growth potential.
Investing in an IPO is not a decision to be taken lightly. It requires careful consideration, a thorough examination of the company's financials, and a realistic assessment of the potential risks and rewards. Bowhead Specialty's IPO presents a compelling opportunity to tap into the growing specialty insurance market. Their niche focus and early success in capturing market share are encouraging signs. However, the inherent volatility of their target markets, their high debt level, and the potential for increased competition should give investors pause. Before diving into these waters, it's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence. Carefully analyze their financial statements, assess the long-term viability of their chosen niches, and consider the broader market trends that could impact their future performance. Investing in Bowhead Specialty is akin to navigating uncharted waters. There's the potential for significant rewards, but also the risk of encountering unforeseen storms. A prudent approach characterized by careful research and a balanced assessment of both opportunities and risks is essential for navigating these uncertain seas and making informed investment decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on upcoming IPOs, market analysis, and investment insights. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. See you in the next one.